Okay, so we have seen two variables linear equations and their solutions. Okay, now today we will see how to draw the graph of a given linear equation in two variables. I told you in the previous class you get ready with the graph. Okay, so we have given this equation. This is very simple example that we are taking. This is this equation is x plus y is equal to 7, and we have to draw the graph of this equation. Okay, so in order to draw the graph of this equation, at least we need 2 points. But I will suggest you to take 3 points, because sometimes if 2 points you are taking and both are wrong, then also you will get the single straight line. And if you will take 3 points and if anyone is wrong, then you will not get the straight line. Means you cannot join in it. For example, I'll suppose you are getting 1 point here, 1 point here, but these are wrong points. Even then you can join these 2 points, correct? And if you are finding 3 points and if anyone is wrong, then you will not get the straight line. That's why I will suggest you to take at least 3 points to draw any line. So how to take the points and how to draw that one, that is the main thing that we have to study today. So x and y, we need the different values and that means different solutions that we have seen in the previous classes, how to find the different solutions. So we need three different solutions of this equation, and then that solutions we will represent on the graph that points and join that point. Always we will get the linear equation has a graph of straight line. Graph is always a straight line. If it is not a straight line, that means you are doing some mistake. It will be always a straight line. Okay. So better to take the easy one. Here we can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4, because we will get the value of y. Try to avoid to get the values in decimal. Okay. But in this equation, any value you will take x, you can get the value in whole numbers, not decimal. 1, 6, 2, 5, like this you can get. Okay. So if you will take x is equal to suppose 1, you are taking x is equal to 1. So here you have to solve 1 plus y is equal to 7 and y is equal to 7 minus 1, 6. So 1, 6. The first point is 1, 6. Then you can take 2. So when you take 2, x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, so substitute the value of 2 in the equation. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 means 5. Okay, so 2, 5 and take 3. So x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, substituting 3, 3 plus y is equal to 7 and y is equal to 7 minus 3, that is 4. So easily here we are getting the point. Okay. Now we have to draw the graph. Correct. So we will take x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, uh, this is x. This is our x-axis. X-axis. Okay. Then this is our y-axis. On the graph paper, you have to take x-axis and y-axis, and we have maximum value is 6, so we should have more than 6, so we can have up to here also, or no problem, whatever length you can take, it is not a problem. But this distance should be same. This is not histogram. We have to take 1 centimeter as 1, 2, 3, 4, on x-axis 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You can have till here also because it is up to you, but it should be greater than the maximum value. And on y-axis, we are taking 1, 1, 2, 3. Actually, we should put one like this point and then should be written. You should do like this, okay? One point, one is just small cut on every point and then show that. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now we have 3 points. Number 1 point. This is 1, 6. What we have 1 and 6. First point is 1 and 6. Let it be A. Okay. And second point is 2, 5. X is 2 and Y is 5. And third point is 3, 4. C. 3, 4. So 1, 6 means we have to take this on x-axis. X-axis 1 and y-axis 6. So from you start moving from 1 from x-axis and from 6 from y-axis, and you will meet at this point. This point is the point which is representing 1 on x-axis and 6 on y-axis. So this is our A point. We can write A and its coordinates are 1, 6. Okay. Then we have 2 and 5. The 2, 5 is this point. Exact point should be taken. This is point B, which is on x-axis 2 and y-axis 5. You draw perpendicular from this point on x-axis. You will meet at 2 on x-axis and at 5 on y-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. The point C is 3, 4. 3 and 4 is here. Now you can see that all the points are in a straight line. C point is 3, 4. Now you can draw the line. You can join these points and draw the line that will be the required line, which is showing. We can draw from this point, or we can join from this point and we can extend later on. First, you can join this 3 points. These 3 points should be joined, and we can draw whatever we can want because this is a line has infinite length, so we can draw below also. Okay, and this can be extended. Better to extend this also. Other side like this, you can extend this one. So this is a line which is representing. So on this line, you should write the equation x plus y is equal to 7, like this. You can see here, this is, they have done the same. It is cutting at 7. Our you cannot see. Okay, one. See, this is the same line that we have drawn. Only the difference is we have taken different point, but the graph should be the same. The graph is same. You can see here in our graph, it is also cutting at 7, and there also it is cutting at 7. So this is the graph. So hope you understood how to draw the graph. Only the problem comes when you are getting in decimal. So I will suggest you should avoid the decimals. Okay, we can have now questions from our exercise to draw the graph of the given equation in two variables. Okay, so I am going to take one question number 1 from our exercise 4.3. Okay, 4.3. Question number 1 is, we have 4 parts in question number 1. You can see now. Draw the graph of each of the following. So we will take some where it is all in all, you will get the whole numbers. So you have very easy type of equations. So we can take, okay, second one. First, we will take second equation. So second equation, we can find the points. As I told you, you have to find 3 points, but I can find only 2 points because you can do the mistake. So we will take 1, 2, 3. Sometimes we are getting negative values. Sometimes we are not getting negative values. If you are getting 1, taking 1, so this will become 1 minus y is equal to 2, and y minus y will be equal to 2 minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1. So both sides minus 1, and minus y is equal to minus 1. So y will be equal to 1. The first point that you are getting a as 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2 minus 1. Sorry, 1 minus 1. 1, 2 minus 1, right hand side will be equal to positive 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 y will be equal to minus 1. So sometimes we are getting negative. We can avoid, otherwise we have to draw the negative values on the graph also. I will show you how to draw the negative values also. So we have the first point as 1 and minus 1, no problem. And another point, we are taking, suppose 2, x is equal to 2. We take x is equal to 2. So substituting x is equal to 2, we get 2 minus y is equal to 2, and 2 minus y is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. So y is equal to 0. So point B is 2, 0. 2, 0. Okay. So as I told you, if you have a negative value, you can draw the graph like this. This is better way to draw the graph. Uh, in between the graph paper, you can have one line like this and another line which should intersect it at the middle point. Exactly middle you should take, but somewhat different point you're getting, no problem. And the maximum value is 2 and 1, so it is easy to draw. So here, right hand side, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11 also coming. So left side, we are getting minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. And on the above of this x-axis, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And below, negative values, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Okay. So now we have to draw the point 1 and minus 1. 1, x-axis 1 and y-axis minus 1. X-axis 1 is here and y-axis minus 1 is here, and they both will, if you draw this line, they will meet at this point. This is our required point. A 1 and minus 1. Then 2, 0, x-axis 2, y-axis nothing. 0 means no need to. Y-axis 0 means it should be on x-axis. The point will be on x-axis only. That means it will be 2 only. This point 2, that is 2, 0. That's all. We got 2 points. Now we have to join these 2 points. this point join this point A with point B and draw the line of this, and you can extend this line till here. Okay, so this is your required line. It should be straight line. This is your B point, A and B, and somewhere you should write its equation also. X, anywhere you can write x minus y on the line is equal to 2. So like this we can draw different graphs. Y is equal to 3x, 3 is equal to 2x plus y, 3 is equal to 2x plus y. We are taking fourth question. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. This is our fourth part. Correct? 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So here that means you have 2x plus y is equal to 3. Now you can take x is equal to, if you will take x is equal to 1, no problem. You will get 2 into 1, 2 plus y is equal to 3, and y is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 and 1. So point A you got 1, 1. And if you put x is equal to 2, you get a negative value. You can put 0 also. You will put x is equal to 0, second, then y will be equal to 3 only. So B point will be x coordinate 0 means y axis at 3. Next coordinate 0, the point will be on y axis. So here we didn't get any point negative. So no need to draw the negative part of the graph. You will draw no problem. It will not harm anything. You can have that also because this line will extend on this part also. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and on x-axis we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, and here also you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should take 2 points, as I told you. This is 1 point, this is 2 point, and third point also you can take x is equal to, you will take 1 and 0. You will take -1, then you have to draw the minus also. So then you have to extend this part also. Otherwise, we have 2 point. Okay, 1 and 1. 1, 1 will meet at this point. 1 and 1. Another point is on x coordinate y axis. That means this point here. So you can draw first 2 points. Now it is easy where we will write A on the now 1, 1, and point B is 0, 3. The next coordinate is 0. The point will be on y-axis. So these 2 points you have to join to get that straight line. This is your straight line. You can extend it here also, and always draw the arrows on the sides. And here you have to write the equation 2x plus y is equal to 3, or 3 is equal to 2x plus y, whatever. It 2x plus y is equal to 3. Correct? This you should write 0 also. And number 2, give the equations of lines passing through 2 and 4, 1 point. 2 and 4. 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 1 point First part. Second part, how many such lines are there and why? That is the second point. So first point, we have to make two equations which are passing through 2 and 14. Means already we have given the solution. Now we have to draw, we have to make the two equations in x and y. So how to make? I'll tell you that you can first you can see that what is the difference between 2 and 14. You can take, okay, 2 and 14 or 14 and 2. You, that doesn't matter. Then why you have to try it first? Because 2 is x. So 2 minus 14 is minus 12. The first equation can be x minus y is equal to minus 12. Okay, equation number 1. And equation number 2, you can get, you can check their addition. So 16, 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. So you can have x plus y is equal to 16. The second equation can be x plus y is equal to 16. This is your second. These are the two equations. Give the equations of two lines passing through. So these are the equations of two lines passing through. So 1 and 2 are passing through this point. Passing, let it be a passing through A. You can put the values and you will get the left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means it satisfies. So this is the way, and you can get 2 sevens of 14 also. You can make one more 2 sevens of 14. So that means y is 7 times 10x. So we can write y is equal to 7x. Okay. Now if you will put x is equal to 2, y will be 14. So 2 and 14. So one more line can be like this. So we can make an infinite number of lines. You know that if a point is here, suppose you have given a point, suppose this is a point, they are asking the how many more such lines are there and why. So 2 and 14, suppose this is the point which is representing 2 and 14. 2 and 14. This point is representing 2 and 14. So how many lines can be passed through this point? We can make this line passing through this point, correct? And similarly, we can make another line passing through this point. Okay, we can make one more line passing through this point. We can make one more line passing through this point. How many lines we can make? How many such lines are there? So infinite number of lines. Whatever we we can do, we can draw the lines. That number of lines. So that means infinite lines. So our answer is, how many such lines are there? There are infinite number of lines. There are infinite number of lines. Number of lines number of lines passing through this point, passing through a point to 14. Okay, why? Because we can make infinite number of lines can satisfy a point. This point can satisfy the number of infinite lines which are passing through it. That is the reason, because n an unlimited means infinite, unlimited number of lines, unlimited limited number of lines can pass through a point. Can pass through a point. Can pass. That is why we have infinite number of lines. That is the reason. Okay, got it?